Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to another Shauna Simone Yoga is a life hack. Is that what?
Life hack.
Yeah, what are we doing today, girls?
So today we're going on a plant. Blah, 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 blah.
We're going shopping
Yes.
for herbs.
Yeah, for plants, yeah.
Not those kind of herbs. Rosemary and thyme
And
what else?
strawberry.
We're getting strawberries?
Yes, because
Pepper.
Zara says so.
Strawberry.
No,
Aren't
we're not doing peppers this time. Peppers clogged up the pepper roots get too thick.
And then we can just buy a separate plant, a separate pot for peppers.
I just want to stick with herbs. What do you
We
guys
need
think?
strawberries.
Tomato.
I don't know. We're talking about the plants, and we could do a mango tree outside, but that would be nice to have our own
instead of
mango
having
tree.
the oak tree.
Okay, hi, welcome to another Shauna Simone Yoga is a life hack. We are here to look for some herbs because we are planting herbs, not that kind of herbs. Rosemary, mint. Let's go see what they have. Let's check it out. Okay, so we just got an assortment of herbs, and we also got some organic potting soil.
And I also got a succulent because why not?
Yeah. So, our herb fountain is done. Yay, high five. Day 3 of this project, right?
Yes.
So, you have to make a pact.
No.
Come on. Every day that you are here, you agree to talk to the herbs, tell them how beautiful they are. Yes?
Okay.
And tell them you can't wait to start reaping and eating. Yeah? Okay. All right, so what do we have? We have chives, onions, lavender, rosemary, lime, basil, lemon, tomato, basil, mint,
More rosemary.
rosemary.
Tomatoes.
We have 3 different kinds of parsley, right?
We have 3 different kinds of basil.
Oh, 3 different kinds of basil. And look at this system. The water pumps up from the bottom and it comes up and it funnels down and feeds everything, right? Nice. All right, so good job, girls. High five. High five. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. All right, we'll see you next time on Shauna Simone Yoga is a life hack. Mwah. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.